To find the area of this shape, we're going to have to look at the individual segments. This shape represents a quarter of a circle, and it can be seen that it's here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area is going to be, it will consist of 4 of these quarter circle shapes, plus there are 5 of these square shapes as well. The 4 quarter circles, we can put them together as one big circle. This forms a circle of radius A. Plus we have 5 squares with sides of length A. Since the area of a circle is given by this formula, which is pi r squared, and we know that our radius is A, therefore the area of this circle is pi a squared. And the area of the 5 squares is 5 times a squared. A squared is the area of a square. And you can see that this formula could be factorized by taking the a squared out. So we have a squared with pi plus 5. And that can be our formula. You can find this question in a Year 10 maths book.